So today I'm going to teach you how to make cake ka Chota Bhai or cookie ka Mota Bhai chocolate brownies along with chocolate sauce. So to make these chocolate brownies you would need, I would suggest you to decide a cup and then follow ahead with the measurements. And don't worry, I'd repeat all the measurements again while I'm showing you the recipe. So in the first step you need to take 1 cup dark chocolate and chop them half into big chunks and half into small pieces. To melt the chocolate, boil the water and place a bowl over it. This is called double boil. Now add half cup of the big chunks of chocolate that you chopped earlier. You would need 40 grams of salted butter, which is a little less than half of this pack, and drop it in the bowl. If you're not using salted butter, make sure you add a pinch of salt. Mix it well until it melts your heart and make you want to eat it right away. Once done, let it cool for a while. Now that the chocolate's cooling, let's warm things up. I took a Kadhai and laid some salt in it and a steel stand, and now I'm gonna cover it and it's gonna warm up for 10 minutes, 5 minutes on low heat and 5 minutes on high heat. If you're going to use a cooker, follow the same steps but remove the whistle. Now let's make the batter. Take a mixing bowl and add half cup of sugar. Now add 3/4 cup yogurt, dahi curd and then mix until the sugar is dissolved. Once the sugar is melted, add the smooth chocolate ganache. Mix the bowl later. Now add in a pinch of baking powder. 3 tablespoons cocoa powder to make it even more chocolatey. Yum! Now add 1 cup all-purpose flour, that is maida. You can even add atta or wheat flour. Now to make it even more chocolatey, add the small pieces of chocolate that you chopped. And then mix everything properly. Now we are going to prepare our baking utensil. Add a little bit of oil and then spread parchment sheet. This would ensure that the brownie doesn't stick. Now with our 2.5 kilo ka haath, we are going to crush some almonds for topping the brownies. Now it's time for baking. If you are baking this in a kadhai like me, then keep it for 45 to 1 hour, and if you're using a cooker, then I would suggest to keep it for 30 to 45 minutes. So after 40 to 50 minutes, my brownies were baked perfectly. Let it cool down and then you can enjoy it as it is, but I like mine with chocolate sauce. So for making the chocolate sauce, heat up a bowl, add half cup sugar, 1.5 cup water, then 3 tablespoons cocoa powder, mix them all together, add half cup dark chocolate, let it simmer and get thickened up, and then your chocolate sauce is ready. And we're done with brownie and chocolate sauce, and this is how it turned out. A quick hack, you can use hot tawa as sizzling plate and then you can enjoy a sizzling brownie at home. The only thing missing here is a scoop of vanilla. So now, like any tutorial video, I'm gonna eat it and say it was superb. But on a serious note, it was really amazing. If you find this video useful, make sure you like, share, subscribe and comment on my channel Chandrakant Chilcuri, and stay tuned for more such content. Bye bye.